Alright, so let's look at how this example works. First of all, I could sketch out the graph of u. Okay. I realize that my vector is going negative 5, 3, so that means I'm going 5 to the left and 3 up. That's vector u. Okay. First things first, I want to find the unit vector that points in the same direction. So I want to find some vector that's only a length of 1. I can find how long u is and realize that I can do that with the magnitude. So the magnitude of u is going to be the square root of negative 5 squared plus 3 squared, which gives me the square root of 25 plus 9. That's the square root of 34. Alright, so u has a magnitude of square root 34. If you prefer, you can use the decimal of 5.831. This tells me that my vector has a length of 5.831 units. I want to shrink it so it only has a length of 1 unit. The way I do that is I scale the vector, u, by 1 over root 34, or 1 over 5.831. So I'm going to divide the vector by 5.831 to shrink it, so it's only 1 unit. In general, to find a unit vector, this is what you do. The unit vector will always be the vector u scaled by dividing by the magnitude of u. So what we do here is we say that the unit vector of u is going to be negative 5, 3, the vector negative 5, 3, scaled by reducing by root 34, which we can write as negative 5 over 34, root 34, 3 over root 34, or again, if you prefer your decimals, this is the same as negative 5 over 5.831 and 3 over 5.831. Or, you really prefer it, you can actually find what those numbers are. So negative 5 divided by 5.831, or negative 5 divided by the root 34, either way, should give you approximately negative 0.857, and 3 divided by the root 34, or 5.831, is 0.514. That is our unit vector of u. So again, the general process that you go through is you find the magnitude of u, and then you just divide the components, each component, by that magnitude. Alright, let's look at the next one. We now want to find the linear combination of I and j that is equivalent to u. This is actually really simple. What you do is you see that we're going negative 5 to the horizontally, which means u is going to be negative 5 times the unit vector of I, and we're going 3 up. So we have plus 3 times the unit vector of j. And that is it. Alright, if you really want to, let's look at just one more example. Go ahead and find the unit vector of u, which is going to be, I don't know, 4, negative 7. Try this on your own for a moment, and also try to write it as a linear combination. Pause and then resume when you're ready to see the solution.